Hello, Kenta friends. In this video, we will review and compare the features, 3 popular video editing apps, ShotCut AI Video Editing, Vidma AI Video Editor, and GoPro Quick Video Editor. Let's dive in and discover which one is the best fit for your video editing needs. ShotCut AI Video Editing. ShotCut AI Video Editing is one of the best video editing applications for Android devices. This application provides various advanced features that allow users to edit videos more efficiently and professionally. With the presence of AI video editing feature, users can easily edit videos without having in-depth knowledge of complex editing processes. This AI video editing helps in cutting, arranging, and adding high-quality visual effects to videos. Additionally, ShotCut AI Video Editing also has various additional features such as special effects, filters, and editing tools that allow users to customize videos according to their preferences. Vidma AI Video Editor. Vidma AI Video Editor is an outstanding video editing application that can provide an amazing video editing experience on Android devices. By utilizing the AI video editing feature, users can easily edit their videos with satisfying and high-quality results. The advanced features of Vidma AI Video Editor help users in optimizing videos, adding visual effects, and professionally editing videos. This application also comes with various creative filters, transition effects, and other editing tools that enrich the end results of the produced videos. GoPro Quick Video Editor. GoPro Quick Video Editor is one of the best video editing applications that can be accessed through Android devices. This application offers video editing features that allow users to quickly produce interesting and inspiring videos. With a simple yet powerful interface, users can easily cut, assemble, and edit their videos without spending a lot of time. GoPro Quick Video Editor also comes with various visual effects, filters, and editing tools that allow users to customize videos according to their preferences. This application is suitable for both beginner and experienced users in the field of video editing. Thank you for watching our video discussing the best video editing applications for Android. See you in the next video.